Okay, it's starting.
Okay, so we are doing 1-point perspective. So whenever you start a 1-point perspective drawing, we are going to start in the position called landscape. Which is the orientation for your paper. You have landscape, and portrait. And we are going to do landscape. So the first thing you are going to draw whenever you're doing perspective is the horizon. And this is called the horizon line. The horizon line is also where your eye level is. So another word for it would be eye level. Okay. Now, on the horizon, you're going to have things that eventually will disappear in the distance on the horizon. That point where it disappears is called the vanishing point. I'm going to put a little VP there. So the VP means vanishing point. Now the way you create the illusion of depth, which is perspective in art, perspective means the illusion of depth in art. So you're going to want two converging lines. So we got a line here, converging to that vanishing point, and then we have a line here, converging to that vanishing point. So those two lines converging is going to give the illusion of depth. You think about kind of like a road. So we have a road going to that vanishing point. Okay. Now we are going to make cubes. So again, we're going to make the paper landscape. And you can use a ruler. This is straight edge, but you can use a ruler too. So the first thing we draw, horizon line. And then remember, things eventually disappear on the horizon line, and that is called our vanishing point. Now, the first thing you want to draw when you're doing 1-point perspective cubes is a square. So that is the first step to doing a cube in 1-point perspective. Now you're going to draw lines from each corner going to the vanishing point. So we have 4 corners, so we should have 4 lines. Now we have the lines converging to the vanishing point, but it looks like it just keeps going forever. So we actually want to stop this cube from going all the way to the vanishing point. So what we need to do is parallel lines to the sides of the square. So parallel lines meaning that these lines, if they're drawn forever, will never meet. I want to do that to the side, and then I also want to do one here at the bottom. Okay. Now, because it's above our eye level, remember, a horizon line is also your eye level. And because it's above our eye level, we see the bottom of the box. So let's do one at eye level. This one I'm going to make a rectangle. Okay. Now you're also going to draw from each corner a line converging to the vanishing point. Since it's at the eye level, I'm not going to see the top or the bottom. I'm only going to see the side. So I need to do a parallel line to the side of the box. And then you're done. Well, I did one looking up. Now let's do one looking down. So looking down at it means it's going to be below my eye level. So let's draw a box below the horizon line. And then again, we have to draw lines going to the vanishing point. We have 4 corners, so we should have 4 lines. Now our cube is going forever to the vanishing point. So we want to draw, again, parallel lines to stop it. There's a parallel line. And another parallel line. So, the next assignment you're going to do on your own. If you have any questions, come back to this assignment and review it. And then if you have any further questions, let me know.